If you're looking for Christmas lights ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. The Christmas Shop. Top Christmas Lights Remote Control. Number 1, by Etekcity. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Treemote. Number 3, by Gdealer. For more great Christmas decorations, gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4, by Yihong. Number 5, also by Yihong. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by Etekcity. Number 7, by Treemote. Discover more Christmas lights ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8, by Gdealer. Number 9, by Abu. The top Christmas lights remote control were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Harmy.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.